Chris Lawrence's impact on the social housing sector has been enormous, with her involvement in social housing dating back almost 35 years. Her years of experience include working for Mainstay Housing, the City of Toronto, ONFA, the Housing Services Corporation, and the province. Many have benefited greatly from Chris's work at the thousands of consultations, working groups, and committee meetings she attended, as well as her day-to-day stewardship of challenging portfolios. Her knowledge, sound judgment, perseverance, and advocacy paid off, and the housing sector is stronger as a result. Her heart is in housing, and she truly believes in housing people and supporting the affordable housing sector. Everyone agrees that Chris's specialty is working with numbers. She has the ability to grasp complex theory and convert it into simple, practical applications. She is a wealth of knowledge in housing programs and policies and understands the challenges faced by housing providers. During her time at the City of Toronto, Chris was instrumental in building partnerships that still have benefits today. She represented the city at the Ministry of Municipal Affairs and Housing in the negotiations around funding benchmarks. She also managed the implementation of those benchmarks under tight deadlines and budget constraints. Chris balanced her role as service manager with the need to support housing providers in their work. She met individually with many of them, listening to their concerns and helping them to understand the city's perspective. At Mainstay Housing, Chris was instrumental in helping the organization to strengthen their administration, financial controls, and direct services. During her time there, she restored its financial health and created a strong IT system that continues to hold value today. While at the Housing Services Corporation, Chris was a visionary in her work. She led a committee that explored a new waiting list system, choice-based rentals. She immediately saw the potential benefits of new waitlist systems, but was also careful to make sure that any new system would remain fair and transparent. Regardless of where she was working or what projects she had on the go, Chris always had an unwavering commitment to bettering the lives of people impacted by poverty, discrimination, homelessness, social isolation, and disability. She dared to be innovative, and her contributions always reflect her strong values and belief in why good quality housing matters. Even after retiring, Chris continues to share her knowledge, skills, and wisdom. She is a mentor in ONFA's mentorship program, working with nonprofit housing providers in difficulty. While her resume speaks to her many achievements, it cannot begin to convey the high regard her colleagues have for her. She is a good friend, she is a strong leader, and she's committed to serving the sector both in innovation and ethics. Again and again, they describe her as cheerful, dependable, and good-humored. Some even call her a pioneer in social housing, and many were mentored by her as she shared her experiences and lessons. It is without a doubt that Chris touches many lives. The lives of her colleagues, friends, and the tenants she works so hard to serve. Congratulations, Chris, and thank you for your incredible contribution to the social housing sector in Ontario.